This is the Magnetude Jewelry rep compensation video. We're going to talk about the 6 ways to get paid for Magnetude Jewelry. We're a young company and there's a huge growth potential ahead. And you can do this business as little or as much as you would like. So there's 6 ways to get paid. We have personal sales bonus, fast start free jewelry, team bonuses, and generation bonuses. So we're going to go each one of those 6 individually. We'll start with personal sales commissions. You get paid 30% of any personal sales that you sell, whether it is in person and you're selling at our retail price, or your customer goes to the website, purchases from your website, we fulfill it, we ship it out, you earn 30% in commissions. Now, there's no monthly sales requirements for you to get paid from your personal customer sales. Number 2 is your personal sales bonus. When you have personal sales of $1,500 in one calendar month, in addition to the 30% that you get, you'll earn another 5% back. And when you have personal sales of $3,000 or more in one calendar month, you'll earn an additional 10%. So you have the ability to earn 40% commission on your personal sales for our jewelry. And what I mean by personal sales is any of your personal customers or your purchases. It does not include your downline. Number 3 is our Fast Start free jewelry. You can earn $600 of free jewelry credits in your first 100 days. When your personal sales volume totals $1,000 in retail, in your first 40 days, you earn $100 in retail jewelry credits. When your personal sales volume totals $2,000 in retail, in your first 70 days, you can earn another $200 retail jewelry credits. And when your personal sales volume totals $3,000 or more in your first 100 days, you earn $300 jewelry credits. Now, these totals are cumulative from the date that you signed up, but they're awarded independently. So you can get one or all 3 of these rewards. Say you miss the first $1,000, but you kick in and you get $2,000 in personal sales volume in your first 70 days. Well, you'll get that $200 retail jewelry credit. If you added another $1,000 between that day 70 and 100 to get you $3,000 in cumulative sales volume, you'll earn another $300. So in that case, you would earn 5 because you didn't kick in for that first $1,000 in the first 40 days. Or let's say you did kick in that first $1,000 40-day personal sales volume, you'll get that $100 retail jewelry, but something happened and you didn't add another $1,000, so you didn't hit your $2,000 mark in your first 70 days, but then you actually then kicked in, did some parties, and your total cumulative volume was $3,000 in your first 100 days. So you would have gotten the $100 and you would have gotten the $300. You wouldn't have gotten the $200. So they are awarded independently, but it's cumulative. So it's $3,000 over that 100 days. So I just wanted to explain that. Now we'll go to Fast Start Sponsor Bonus. So in the beginning, we want you to have jewelry because you're a new rep and you want to show off our jewelry. But as you bring people in, we want you to get paid cash. So the Fast Start Sponsor Bonus, there's an additional $225 in cash for lending a hand to help your new rep get their Fast Start free jewelry. Okay, so when you personally sponsor a gem and they earn their Fast Start jewelry credits, just as I explained, you earn cash. When they earn their $100 Fast Start credit jewelry, you earn $50. When they earn their $200 jewelry credits, you earn $75. And when they earn their $300 jewelry credits, you earn $100. Again, they're independent depending on how your rep that you signed up meets those qualifications. So there's $225 of Fast Start bonus for you. So team bonuses. You can leverage your efforts and get paid on the sales of your downline. That's the beauty of multi-level marketing. So let's look at, as they fly away, let's look at your team bonuses. So you can earn up to 12% on your first level downline, and you can get paid up to 4 levels below you. So as a J, that's our first level, you would get paid 9% of the person that you bring in of their sales. And the person that they bring in, you would get paid 3% of their sales. So there's 2 levels. As an opal, you go to 10, 4, and we add an additional level. So 10, 4, and 3. As a team leader, you're going to get paid 11% of the people that you bring in directly, 5% of the sales of the people that they bring in, and 3% of the people that they bring in. So there's 3 levels. As a sapphire, it becomes 11, 6, and 4. As a director, then it changes to 12%, 6%, 5%, and we add one more level at 3%. So you're being paid 4 levels down. And then as you rank up further, we have Emerald Director and Diamond Director. Those just increase the generation bonuses, and I'll share that in a moment. So those are your team bonuses that are available for you. Generation bonuses, this is when the company becomes a little older and we start to fill out our compensation plan. This is the small percentage, but this is where the big money is made for the people who stick with it and build the company with us. Okay, as a director, you're going to get paid 1% of the entire levels below you. So when you're paid as a director above, you have 3 team leaders in your first 3 levels. You earn generation bonuses on their personal bonus volume while still also earning team bonuses. So you earn a percentage of your entire downline from a director level and above. And then as you rank up further in as a director, you get, instead of 1 generation bonus, you're going to get 1 + 1, you're going to get 2 generations, and then 1.5, 1.5, 2, and 2. So we are a young company. We are not there yet, but we certainly have people that are on their way to becoming these levels and getting their generation bonuses. Here's what a compensation plan looks like from the promotion and maintenance requirements. I mentioned earlier that you don't have to have a minimum requirement to get paid your 30% from your personal sales. Because that makes you a gem. There's no personal sales volume requirements. Once you become a jade and you have people underneath you that you want to get paid for your downline, that's when our personal sales volume would kick in. And what that is, this is done in retail volume. It's always, all this is retail. So it'd be $200 in 1 month to meet the requirements for you to get paid on your downline. You don't have to do that, but if you want to get paid from the downline, that's what is required. Now it says 200 or 400. We have made this as easy as we can for you to be able to get paid on these. So we've said in 200 in 1 month or 400 in 2 months. Now that 400 in 2 months, that carries forward. It doesn't carry backwards. So what that means is, if this month you did $300 in sales volume, your personal sales volume, this is personal sales volume, your sales, your customers, or your purchases, then next month, if you did 300 this month, next month, you would only need 100 to qualify for next month's personal sales volume, because it's added together this month and next month. What it doesn't do is, if you did $100 last month and you didn't get paid for your downline, and you did $300 this month, it doesn't carry backwards. It only carries forward. The reason we did this is because we want you to work hard, but we also want you to play hard. So if you decide you're going to take a vacation and you've worked to create this business, we wanted for you to be able to continue to get your compensation for your downline, even though you may be taking off time to go on your vacation. Or you can plan, if you're going to be having something come up, just do an extra party for next month, this month, so that it carries forward if that's the issue. So that is a jade, 200 or 400. Once you get to opal, our requirement is 400 in 1 month or 800 in 2 months. So again, this is retail pricing. So your purchases are wholesale, but they are counted in retail. And these are a couple sales gets you requirements met for your personal sales. So if you notice here, though, something also that our company has done that I haven't seen with any other company is that our personal sales volume stays flat. It's 400 in 1 month or 800 in 2, all the way through all the ranking, all the way to Black Diamond Director. The reason that we did this is because in a company, when you have people that are management, they are not always expected to go out and hit the sidewalks and be selling directly to a lot of people, because they're managing their staff. So we tried to do it the same way. When you are a management position where you're a director and you have active people beneath you, we know it's going to take some time for you to help them get their bonuses and help them qualify the way that, because helping them helps you. So we didn't want to put a burden of having a tremendous amount of sales volume personally, meaning that you would have to be doing all of your parties and that sort of thing, and you wouldn't be giving time to your downline. So we have made this flat at opal all the way up to the end. Okay, and so that's how this works. There are qualified legs, I'll show in a minute. Tops of paid as legs. These are To be an opal, you have 2 jades. To be a team leader, you have 4 jades. And I'll show you this in just a moment. Visually, it's easier. Downline sales volume is $1,500 for an opal, which is fairly simple to do if you had active people underneath you. And then we have an adjusted downline that is also very reasonable. Once you hit team leader, that means that your downline is 3,000 in 1 month, 6,000, 12,000. So those are also very, very doable. Here's the diagram of rank. So if you look here as a jade, what makes you a jade is you brought one person in and they are a gem. Okay, so that gem now has come in, and for you to get paid on their activity, you have 200 in 1 month or 400 in 2 months in volume. Okay, once you rank up to opal, you have 2 jades. Okay, so those requirements here for 2 jades. Here, team leader, we have 1 team leader, meaning 4 jades. And then as a sapphire team leader means you've gotten 1 other team leader. And these are bonus qualified legs. These are gems who are bonus qualified, meaning that they've met their minimum. They're active in some way. They've had orders. That's what a bonus qualified leg is. So that's how it works. And you go to director, which is 2 team leaders and bonus qualified legs, diamond directors, emerald directors, and then black diamonds. So you can take a look at those later if you'd like. And then here's what the compensation plan, all of it in one view. So here, the Fast Start free product credit is the same for every rank. There's $100, $200, $300 in free jewelry credits available. Personal sales are the same for everybody, 30% on your personal sales, and your personal sales bonuses at 5 and 10% back to you based on the $1,500 or $3,000 a month, all the same to everybody. Team bonuses we went over, 9, 10, 11, okay, and director starts at 12 and does a 4th level. Here's our Fast Start bonus. When you bring someone in and they actually meet their fast start, that's when you get your cash, $50, $75, and $100. These are all the same for everybody. And then generation bonuses we went over as well for directors and above. So there you have it. There's our compensation plan. And now that you've learned all the great ways to get paid, go share our beautiful jewelry, earn extra income and free jewelry, and know that you are supported by our company and our generous compensation plan. And we wish you great success with us. Now, the following has definitions for you if you'd like to read them. Also, we have our PDF in both the 7-page overview for the compensation plan and the full 18-page compensation plan, if you'd like to read it, in your back office under resources.